Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio TV green screen, HDR or color format, cable and reset. Fix 1. Power cycle your TV. First of all, you have to unplug the TV's power cord from the wall outlet. Then wait for full 60 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote for 15 to 20 seconds to drain any remaining power. Plug the TV back into the wall outlet and power the TV on. Fix 2. Check and replace the HDMI cables. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected to the back of the TV and the connected devices like cable box, console, steaming stick. Try plugging the HDMI cable into a different HDMI port to determine if the issue is port specific. Test with a brand new or knowing working HDMI cable to run out the cable issues. Fix 3. Reset picture setting. You just have to press the menu or setting button on your Vizio TV. Then navigate to pictures, then more picture. Then select reset picture mode, confirm the reset action. Fix 4. Check for firmware updates. Press the menu button on your remote, then navigate to system. Then there you have to select check for update. If any update is available, just follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it. Fix 5. Perform a factory reset. You just have to press the menu button on your remote and select the system or admin and privacy on your newer model. Then select advanced system setting. Then there you have to select reset to factory reset or clear memory. Then you have to enter the pin. The default pin is 000. Select reset and wait for the TV to restart completely. Thanks for watching.